Howdy, y'all. Lone Star Rider here. Getting some work done on the trailer. Needed welding to put a 4-inch by 4-inch tubing on the back to extend it out. Y'all stick around.
Lone Star Rider on his motorcycle, raising money, making friends, seeing the country end to end. Lone Star Rider.
Guys, I'm here at J Haas Welding here in Fort Worth, Texas. I'll have their information down below. Let's check out what they're doing. Smaller one.
Colin, hey, look, stop. Come over here. Go this way. Burn up there. You go right there. This one there.
All right, this is the finished product here. They welded this little tubing onto the back, so the motorcycle tire would not stick over the edge. Eventually, I'll have a smaller motorcycle and I'll have a gate here. But other than that, they did a really good job on the welding. I got these end caps off of Amazon, and it looks pretty darn good. Yep, real good job. All right, guys, if you want some welding done, come over here to J Haas Welding Fabrication. These guys are awesome.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, guys, if you need some welding done and done well, check out J Haas here in Fort Worth, Texas. Like I said, I'll have their information down below and catch you on the road with more stuff done on the trailer.